my beautiful hearts, welcome back to my channel. As wedding season is going on, today I am filming super easy, super quick yet affordable makeup look, which can be beneficial for newlywed wives or for anyone who wants to shine this wedding season. This look is trial and tested so many times by me, which is wearable in this hot and humid weather. So without any further delay, let's begin. But before that, I have something for my viewers. We completed 500 subscribers. But this I could have not achieved without my viewers. My darling viewers, I'm so thankful and grateful to you all. So मेरे साथ बने रहिए, ऐसे कई सारे माइलस्टोन्स हमें अचीव करने हैं इन फ्यूचर एंड आई कुड नॉट अचीव विदाउट योर सपोर्ट. सो keep liking, keep commenting, subscribing if you are new to my channel. And now, without any further delay, let's begin with the tutorial. So the first thing that I never skip is skin prep, because the better your skin prep is, the better your makeup will stand out. तो सबसे पहले I cleansed my skin with AHA Glow face wash. Then I used Truderma Vitamin C serum to hydrate my skin. Now some more hydration. So here I'm applying Oriza moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated when my makeup is on. So next up is sunscreen. So here I am applying Bioderma SPF 50 Plus to protect from sunlight or any other harsh lights in nighttime. Now here I already moisturized my lips with Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Skin prep is all done, and now I shall apply Nykaa's foundation in the shade 03 Rose Beige. Now I shall use my all-time favorite brush, that is Crown's King 4-in-1, to apply this product all over my face. Here one pro tip, never drag the product but always dab it so that product spreads evenly. Next up is concealer. So here I am applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 25 medium, only on my high points. Here with the same brush but at the other side of it, which is bit pointed, I shall apply my concealer. Now I shall use Maybelline New York's Matte Plus Poreless Powder in the shade 310 Rose Beige, and with the help of same brush I shall pack my base makeup. Base makeup is all done, and now we shall start with the eye makeup. With the help of spoolie brush, I shall brush my eyebrows. Now I am going to fill my eyebrows with black shade from Swiss Beauty's eyeshadow palette number 05. I shall quickly complete the other side as well. And that's it, my eyebrows are all ready. From the same palette, I shall use this shade which is closer to my complexion and pack my concealer which I applied on my eyelids. This gives smooth base for eyeshadow. Now, using this shade, which is one shade darker than the previous one, I shall contour my eyelids. This is brown shimmery shade, which again I shall use to contour my eyelids. Now, using brown shade from same palette, I shall contour on my highlighted areas. The only secret of good eyeshadow makeup is blending. You really have to be patient to get that flawless finesse. Now again going back to same light shade skin complexion shade which I used in the beginning to blend across all harsh lines. You can see now eye makeup is just looking wow. Here I'm taking this shimmery peachy brownie shade from same palette and applying only on the mid and inner corner of eyes. Here both the eyes are done. Taking this light brown shade with same crown skin brush but with the thinner version inside, I shall line my lower eyelid. Putting back in place, now I'm using Lakme's eyeliner and shall apply this to my eyelids. No rush, you have to slowly build eyeliner. Now completing other eye also, and finally it's done. Next up is kajal. So here I am applying Lakme's iconic kajal to my lower waterline. I am also applying to the upper waterline of my eyelids. My eye makeup is done and now I have to only put on my false eyelashes. But look at the finesse, girls. I have used quite affordable makeup products and shown very simple steps to achieve this beautiful eyes. Now it's time for some blush. So here I'm using Bella Versace's shade number 16 Barbie Pink lipstick and applying this with my multi-purpose brush. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि blush खरीदना ही है. You can also use any pink lipstick which is available in your vanity. Now packing entire makeup with a compact powder. It's time for some shimmer. So here I'm applying Swiss Beauty's Brick Highlighter on my high points of face. Using same old brush to highlight high points of the face. Now I am using dark brown shade and I am contouring my jawline and nose. Here you can see that I have already applied my lipstick because I actually forgot to contour my nose, and after my lipstick application I remembered that I actually missed doing it. But nevertheless, don't worry, I will share you which lipstick did I use. First, we will line our lips with Mars Cosmetics lip liner in the shade 14 Choco Butter. Now I'm using Insight Cosmetics liquid lipstick shade number 22 Autumn. Then only in the middle of lips I will be applying same Insight Cosmetics shade number 2 Red Alert. Once our lipstick application is done, then again I shall outline my lips with Choco Butter liner. One final step to go, and that is applying Maybelline New York's Matte Plus Poreless Setting Spray, which will help you to keep all your products in place for longer time. I actually used just these 3 brushes to complete this wedding season makeup, which was affordable, quick and long lasting as well. So my makeup is all done. Now I shall quickly put on my jewelry, sari, and I think I can also put on some false eyelashes. So let me share you my final look. Here I am all ready with chudi, Mangal Sutra, Sindoor, and now let me give you a quick glimpse. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if yes, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tab tak ke liye stay healthy, stay hearty till we meet again. Bye.